now you have $154 coming your way, and we're back to our page. We have one more program, the fourth program that's going to pay you money, free money. So we're going to come down here, and we're going to come down to the fourth one, which is the fourth. Let's get you paid $5. So we're going to click this green banner here, and it's going to open up to Cash App. And you want to open this up with your phone. So if you've done this on your computer, please go back to this link here, and go ahead and you open that up with your phone. So once you download the app with your phone, you'll get it from here. If you got Apple, you click here. If it's an Android, click here and load it to your phone. Now, all you have to do once you get it on your phone is link your new bank account, okay, your Cash App bank account with one of your bank accounts. All you have to do is link it. You don't have to add any money to it. Just link your bank account with your Cash App. You'll be able to do that inside your Cash app once you get it on your phone. And once you do that, they give you $5. Now you'll get a referral link just like this one, but yours will be different with your image if you happen to have an image on yours. And now you refer people to your Cash App, and they get $5. You get $5 for each person you refer. So that's it. Now you have a total of $159 free money that comes to you. Okay. And now you refer everybody that you go to. You have all your own links that you can promote and get $159 each time everyone gets one of these different programs. They start with the most money, which is $100 from Chime. Then with net spend. Again, you're a free member with all these programs. Net spend, you get $34. You get also $20 with net spend. And the last one is Cash App. Now, we've got one more. Well, actually, we finished those. We got three more money making programs, and these are free, totally free to you. And I'm going to show you how you can earn money with these next three programs that are free to you as a free member. You can earn even more money. So I'll show you that in the next